Hello everyone, I'm Simon Gamers. আমি আজকে কথা বলতে চাচ্ছি একটা সিম্পল মেশিন লার্নিং বেসড ওয়েব অ্যাপ বানিয়েছি রিসেন্টলি। সো ভাবলাম যেটা আমি ওপেন হোস্টে শো করতে পারছি। ভেরি ইন্টারেস্টিং, it has an interactive view. So I will just briefly talk about this. This is not a tutorial. I will try to make a tutorial in the future about how to make a web-based machine learning app. So you can see this is Python code. Here I used a Python library called Streamlit. So এখানে আমি মূলত যেটা করছি যে বেস ফ্লাওয়ার নামে একটা ডেটা সেট আছে, গ্রাফিক্যাল ডেটা সেট আছে। সো আমি যেটা করেছি এটার ডেটা সেটটা ইউজ করে এখানে র্যান্ডম ফরেস্ট ক্লাসিফায়ার ইউজ করে প্রেডিকশন করেছি যে হ্যারিস ফ্লাওয়ারের কোন স্পিসিসটা হতে পারে based on their sepal length, sepal width, or petal length or petal width. That is a major definition of code. So and I tried to get it. So let's see how the GUI looks as a code. So let's see how the GUI looks in the local host. So write this command to run this program on the local host. It should open. Simple ice flower, which is where forest. Exactly this input is ice flower type. So you can see here user input parameters are there. So here you can see the changes in sepal length. So here are the types of species. Here is a Pseudosa, Sickle and Virginica. So here it will show the prediction and here it will show the prediction parameter. So let's change the sepal length. So we will be able to see here the sepal length or sepal width changes. So it's now 5.4. So if I increase it, you can see here it also changes 6.27 now. Now the prediction shows it's Pseudosa with a probability of 80% probability that it's Pseudosa and also 20% probability that it's versicolor, that species. So let's now change the sepal width. It's now 3.4 as well. So let's increase. It's now 4.08. So here you can also see 4.08. The prediction is same Pseudosa as before and probability of being Pseudosa is 1. That is 100% is Pseudosa and others are 0. So if similarly if we increase the petal width, you can see the changes in this column or petal length for this column. So the length probably I will increase it to 5.50. Let's see the prediction changes now that it says that it's Virginica with a probability of 70% that it's Virginica and there is also 30% probability that it could be versicolor. So this is it. This is the interactive GUI based web app.